Hello students, today we will learn about conditional code. Let's play. Have you ever played the hide and seek? Let's see how we have this different condition in our life and we have to take the decisions. Let's think about what decision did you have to make daily in your life? The first decision that we all have to make early in the morning is whether to get up from the bed or get ready for the school. So we'll check if Tuesday is Saturday or Sunday. So keep on sleeping. Don't need to wake up. Else we have to wake up in the morning to get ready for school. The decision that I have to take every day in the morning, I check the clouds. If the weather is cloudy or rainy, I have to take my umbrella before getting out of my house. Else, if the weather is not cloudy, I will come out without it. Similarly, if I'm working or you are working online, you are working on your iPad and your iPad is not charged. So you will check if the iPad charge is not enough or zero. Yes, then switch on to the laptop. Otherwise, keep on working on the iPad. So we have to take decision every now and then in our life. So how the computer coding will take care of this decision making? Let's see. So condition are something that you test and the result is always true or false, right? For example, you check if your iPad charging is above 25%, so answer may be true or false, yes or no. So this is called the condition. So one of the example that you can see on the screen is that if you are giving a flyer to recruit new members for the coding club, a coding club is running in the school, and you will check. The first question is that, is the student already a member of the coding club? So answer may be true or false. So always the outcome is any of the two values, true or false. So depending on the outcome of the students, we will do some actions. So if the student is already a member of the club, true, then remind the student the next coding club meeting is Friday. On the other hand, if the student is not already a member of the coding club and the answer is false, he said, no, I am not a member. So it means the student is not already a member, so you have to take these steps. Give a student a flyer about the coding club, right? So it means for every question there are two answers, yes or no, and according to the answer you will write down the next instruction, what to do. Now, what is a conditional code? One of the important thing that when you do the coding, you understand that a block of code that will run only if something is true is called the conditional code. And this can be expressed as if-then statement. It can also include an else block, which runs if all conditions in the if statement are false. So a block of code that will run only if the condition is true is called the conditional code. For example, if the weather is cloudy, if the answer is true, then take the umbrella. Else block will show me the weather is not cloudy, then go out without it. So conditional code, which always give the true answer, is written before the other one, which is the false answer. So if the answer is true, if block will be executed. If answer is not true, the else block will be executed. Here is an example. If a person is interested in the coding, then means yes, he is interested. Invite to the coding club. Else means no, he is not interested. Do not invite to the coding club. One important vocabulary you also may know from your Python that Boolean. What is a Boolean? Boolean is a value that only give you either true or false. So for the conditional statement to run, we have to tell the computer what the possible outcomes are. So in our example, we set the Boolean to be true if interested in the coding and false if not interested in the coding. So inside the if block, we have to check whether the answer is true or false. Let's see some examples. If today is Saturday, answer is yes. So this is the conditional code. We have to put a curly bracket in the beginning, in the end, and inside that I have to write some command that I want to do. If this is Saturday, sleep, right? Similarly, if this is not Saturday, if something else, so I have to use else command also here after this if condition. So else, get ready for school. What is the meaning of else here? Else means that today is not Saturday. This statement is not true. Okay, so if this statement is true, keep on sleeping. Else, if this statement is false, so get ready for school. I hope you understand. Another example. In our Swift playground, you will see the command if is on close switch. If my emoji, if my character is on close switch, yes, true. So toggle the switch. It means change the switch to the opposite direction. Make it off. I hope you understand. Now we will move on and do some Swift playground coding on your